As the sun begins to dip below the horizon, a quiet transformation takes place. In the fading light of the woodland edge, two remarkable creatures begin to stir. These are European badgers, nocturnal, secretive, and endlessly curious. Tonight, their world contains something new. A hollow log, recently introduced into their environment. But not just any log, this one holds a secret. It has been carefully filled with enticing treats, designed to stimulate their senses and challenge their natural instincts. This is the work of Debra Angel, who understands that curiosity is more than just a trait, it is a key to survival. Badgers rely on an acute sense of smell. With over 1,000 scent receptors in their nose, they can detect a single raisin buried in the soil. It does not take long before the game is afoot. Their claws, sharp and curved, are adapted for digging, but here they are used with delicate precision for a reward well earned. For a moment, the woodland is alive with quiet industry, sniffing, scratching, and problem solving. What may appear to us as simple foraging is in fact a sophisticated interaction with their environment. These enrichment exercises mirror the challenges badgers would face in the wild, unearthing beetles, unsealing grubs from bark, and rooting through the forest litter for worms. And perhaps, most importantly, it keeps them thinking. Curiosity fuels learning, and learning, even for a badger, is a lifelong process. As twilight deepens, the log is nearly empty. Tiny tongues lap at the last morsel, and satisfied paws pat the ground for a final inspection. In a world so encroached upon, moments like this remind us that even the smallest interventions, a wooden log, a handful of treats, can open a window into the lives of the wild.